Hello, what is the role of volume in the long uptrend long swing trading strategy? Well, I don't pay attention to the volume when I'm swing trading because of the type of stocks that I swing trade. I swing trade large cap stocks, at least up to now. I swing trade large cap stocks, and more precisely growth stocks, if I can help it. Those are the stocks that I create a watch list of, and again narrow it down to stocks that have been around, that went public before 2000. I think I make a little bit flexible, but again before 2000. So I made few exceptions and let some that are, you know, more than up to 2012. You have to decide that for yourself, but that is how I narrow them down to have strong stocks that can show me multiple years of growth that I can base on to say that this stock is upward trading. So we can see, I think I have around 190 stocks in my list, my watch list, and the one that went public after 2000 is a handful of them, and we can select them here to see, and they are 25. So yeah, those you have to decide that for yourself, and it's okay not to make it a hard rule, especially if there are some stocks that you use the products, you know the company because you use the products, and you like to give it a try to see if it is comparable to with the strategy you are using to swing trade, so that you can swing trade or invest in that company. Yeah, it's okay adding it to it, but other than that, I prefer all stocks that can show me multiple years of growth that I can rely on to say that this company stock is upward trending. So because they are the nature of the stocks that I swing trade, chances that they are going to have a lot of volume trading every day or so on the stock market. For that reason, I don't pay attention to the volume when I'm swing trading. That is one. Second, I only buy few shares of a single stock. So therefore, when I'm going to sell that stock, chances are I will be able to sell it without problem. I would think that would be the reason one of the reasons behind the volume. The role of the volume could be to see if whatever signal that you are seeing, there is a lot of volume backing it up for you to take that action that you are thinking about taking. It's not a false alarm. And second, if you buy a large number of stocks to sell it, you want to be able to sell it and have buyers to buy as well, and not be stuck with the number of shares because you couldn't sell it. I would think that's why the volume will matter for a stock. But since those stocks that I'm swing trading, they are expensive, that's the third thing, they are expensive. In some way, the price is higher. For a small account, I will consider my husband and I joint account a small account. For a small account, since we are not going to spend all our money to buy one stocks, I don't buy a number of shares. There are some stocks that I purchased 100 shares of them, but there are few of those, and I didn't buy them, probably not necessarily all at once. And most of them, those that I have more than 100 shares, I don't think I bought them all at once. It will be maybe I purchased it, the price went down for a while, I purchased it again, it went down again, I purchased it again, type of thing. So today we are going to analyze HUBB as of May 8, 2025. So when I put this here, I have not purchased it here yet, and I'm looking at it, and I like to buy it at either one of those lines. So therefore I'm going to be waiting for it, and right now it's coming back from the top of the mountain, so I will wait to see if it's going to go to the valley line. Excuse me. Right now is leaning on this support line that is supporting the mountain, the upside wall of the mountain that is climbing, but I prefer to buy at either one of those support lines. So therefore I'm going to wait on it. And when we go to the maximum monthly chart, we have the date on the X axis from the past to the present, and the price on the Y axis from $0 up. So you can see that I'm seeing upward trending in for this stock, company stock. So, and when we go back to my spreadsheet, it has been around since 1980, but Think or Swim platform is showing us up to what? I'm seeing 16 here. That would be 1916. No, I'm not saying it well, but yeah, it's a little bit like 2016. It showed me up to 2016 here. So, but I don't, unless I made a mistake here, it seems to be like it has been around for a while. So, but again, we have it here, and is upward trending, and we can see the price for it as well, close to 500 where it is right now. So, and along the line that I like to buy, depending on when it reaches, it could be between 350 and 400 as well, the price per share. So therefore, for a stock that costs like that, I'm not going to be buying a lot of shares of it, and to sell it, I should be able to sell it easily as well. So therefore, even though my chart has volume session at the bottom here, I will say that is one thing I completely ignore. It does not even cross my mind to check it again. Maybe in 2024, when I was using short option and swing trading strategy, and I'm learning how to swing trade, yeah, I was paying attention to that too. But again, very quickly, how my swing trading strategy evolved. If I'm trying to streamline processes and eliminate things that I don't use, this volume session will be a part of the chart that I will remove. I tried a few times, but I couldn't figure out how to disable it and take it out of here. So I guess I had to say maybe it just, the chart comes automatically by default with a type of volume. There is another one that I added at some point, again around 2024, and I think I was successfully able to remove that one. But this one is here. So it is a part of the chart I do not consider anymore. Again, is I think because of the type of the way I swing trade as well. It's a little bit toward investing, but using swing trading strategy and a combination of position trading, swing trading, and investing combined for the way I'm investing in the stock market, or the way I'm buying stocks. I'm using tips, a little tips from position trading, because it has more feature to it that I don't use, more so of swing trading strategy to, and with investing tips added to it to buy and sell stocks. So how will you classify or call the way I buy and sell stock? Am I investing? Am I swing trading? Am I position trading? Will you please share your opinion with me in the comment section? Because sometimes I wonder if right now I can safely say that I'm investing in the stock market using swing trading strategy, or am I still swing trading, knowing that when I buy the stocks around this long, last time we touched base with it was in March, not in April 2025, and it's 1 year now, and it's all-time high. So that means next time that I'm going to buy it again, next time that I'm going to buy, chances are by default I'll hold on to it for about a year. The last time we touched base with it here as well, and up to when it was down, was pretty much a year. October here, November here. So clearly twice it repeated this pattern of, although we don't have any proof that it's done climbing up here, but we have 1 year from the valley to the peak and about 1 year from the valley to the peak. So when I buy it around this valley line, I will expect to hold on to it for at least a year and sell it. So we'll look at that swing trading. Yeah, so, and when it comes to these stocks, I'm not going to buy it just yet, because those are the areas that I'm willing to pay for it. The price along this support line is what I'm willing to pay for it. Therefore, I'm going to wait for it to be there. So I'm not going to buy it yet. And that is pretty much I'm explaining the role of volume when it comes to the long option swing trading strategy that I use. And frankly, it is not important, but because of the type of stocks I'm swing trading with, that long option and swing trading strategy I'm using to trade it. So thank you so much for watching. We thank you. And the reason why it's a long option and swing trading strategy is because, again, the support line that I'm using to buy, those are long, multiple years long, and that's why it's making a long option lines. It's multiple years long, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years long, and it's oblique, upward trending. And I like to consider those a cycle from the valley to the peak, back to the valley, complete that cycle here. And this one started and has not ended yet. And that is the strategy that I use to swing trade. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Director of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in HUBB.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could be, over time, one stream of income beside your job. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share my learning and experience and the mistakes I made and my gains, share those with you, or different things that we are doing toward our financial independence goal. Share those with you. If you can find 1 or 2 tips that you can improve upon in your own financial success journey. So thank you so much for your time, but use our information at your own discretion. For more videos in this series, will you please check out the description section of this video and the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step using long option lines. Thank you for your time. Happy swing trading.